In your time, in your time, you make all things beautiful. In your time, Lord, my life to you I bring, with its winter and its spring. May I fathom everything in your time. There's a time, both for sowing and for reaping. There's a time for losing, time for gain, time for joy and time for pain. Every purpose under heaven has a time. There are times, there are days, weeks and months we cannot understand God's ways. If for years we fear to scan what is His eternal plan, we'll remember